Ever find yourself staring at a pile of receipts, wondering if you accidentally signed up for a second job called accounting? You're not alone, especially if you're a field service pro, juggling jobs, schedules, and trying to keep your books straight. You're out there, fixing pipes, mowing lawns, or cleaning gutters, and the last thing you want to do is spend hours wrestling with spreadsheets. And that brings us to the real question today. Does Jobber do accounting? Or, more accurately, can Jobber solve your accounting headaches? See, when we talk about accounting, we're not just talking about adding numbers. We're talking about the whole shebang, tracking income, expenses, understanding your cash flow, and ultimately knowing if your business is actually making money. Because let's be real, you didn't start your business to drown in paperwork. You started it to do what you love and get paid well for it. Now, Jobber is a powerhouse for field service businesses. It's designed to streamline your operations, from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and payments. It's built to get you organized, save you time, and make you look professional. But where does accounting fit into all this? Let's break it down. Jobber, at its core, is a fantastic tool for managing your transactional data. It excels at generating invoices, tracking payments, and creating a clear record of your sales. You can see who owes you money, how much they owe, and when those payments are due. This is crucial for maintaining a healthy cash flow, which is the lifeblood of any business. Think about it. Before Jobber, you might have been scribbling invoices on scraps of paper, chasing down payments with endless phone calls, and struggling to keep track of everything in your head. Jobber eliminates all of that. It creates a centralized system for your financial transactions, making it easy to see where your money is coming from. But here's the crucial point. Jobber is not a full-fledged accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. It's not designed to handle complex accounting tasks like reconciling bank statements, generating detailed financial reports, or managing your chart of accounts. So, what does Jobber do really well when it comes to the financial side of your business? First, it simplifies invoicing. You can create professional invoices in minutes, send them directly to your clients, and track their payment status. This eliminates the need for manual invoicing and reduces the risk of errors. Second, it streamlines payment collection. Jobber integrates with various payment gateways, allowing your clients to pay online via credit card or bank transfer. This makes it easier for you to get paid faster and reduces the need for chasing down payments. Third, it provides valuable insights into your sales data. You can generate reports that show your total sales, outstanding balances, and payment history. This gives you a clear picture of your financial performance and helps you make informed business decisions. Fourth, Jobber helps with expense tracking, albeit in a more basic way. You can record expenses and attach receipts, allowing you to keep track of your spending. While it may not be as robust as a dedicated expense tracking tool, it provides a convenient way to monitor your outgoings within the same platform you use for your other business activities. So, where does the accounting part come in? This is where the integration with other accounting software becomes crucial. Jobber seamlessly integrates with popular accounting platforms like QuickBooks Online and Xero. This allows you to sync your transactional data from Jobber to your accounting software, eliminating the need for manual data entry. Imagine this. You create an invoice in Jobber, send it to your client, and receive payment. Jobber automatically records the transaction. Then, with the integration, this data is automatically transferred to your QuickBooks or Xero account. This ensures that your financial records are accurate and up-to-date, without you having to lift a finger. This integration is a game-changer for field service businesses. It allows you to leverage the strengths of both Jobber and your accounting software. Jobber handles the day-to-day transactional data, while your accounting software handles the more complex accounting tasks. Let's dive a bit deeper into the benefits of this integration. Accuracy. By eliminating manual data entry, you reduce the risk of errors and ensure that your financial records are accurate. Efficiency. You save time and effort by automating the transfer of data between Jobber and your accounting software. Real-time insights. You gain access to real-time financial insights, allowing you to make informed business decisions. Simplified bookkeeping. You simplify your bookkeeping process, making it easier to manage your finances. Improved financial reporting. You can generate detailed financial reports that provide a comprehensive overview of your business performance. Now, it's important to understand the limitations. While Jobber provides valuable tools for managing your financial transactions, it's not a substitute for professional accounting advice. If you're unsure about any aspect of your accounting, it's always best to consult with a qualified accountant. For instance, Jobber won't tell you how to correctly categorize complex expenses for tax purposes. It won't give you strategic advice on tax planning or help you navigate complex accounting regulations. That's where a professional accountant comes in. So, to answer the initial question, does Jobber do accounting? The answer is both yes and no. Jobber excels at managing your transactional data, streamlining invoicing and payment collection, and providing valuable insights into your sales performance. It also integrates seamlessly with popular accounting software, allowing you to automate the transfer of data and simplify your bookkeeping process. However, Jobber is not a full-fledged accounting software. It's not designed to handle complex accounting tasks like reconciling bank statements, generating detailed financial reports, or managing your chart of accounts. For those tasks, you'll need to rely on dedicated accounting software or a professional accountant. Ultimately, Jobber helps you get paid faster, stay organized, and gain valuable insights into your financial performance. It's a crucial tool for any field service business looking to streamline its operations and improve its bottom line. But remember, it's a part of a larger financial system, not the entire system itself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.